Okay, simplifying ratios. There are three sorts of ratios. There's simplifying ratios, there is finding x, and then there's dividing in a ratio. So today we're just doing the first one, simplifying. Simplifying 4 is to 12. The way I'm thinking about that is I'm thinking about that as a fraction, 4 on 12, and we would simplify that by going, we're going to divide everything by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So simplified, it's 1 is to 3. So a ratio is just a fraction on its side. Okay, nice and easy. Let's do another one. How about I go 3 centimetres is to 24 centimetres. So this is a ratio of lengths of a rectangle or something that I'm talking about. Okay. To simplify a ratio, as soon as we get the units the same, we actually ignore the units, and we're back to where we were before. 3 is to 24, and we're thinking of 3 on 24. Simplify that. These are both divisible by 3. 1, 3, 8 to 24. So 3 centimetres is to 24 centimetres simplifies to 1 is to 8. There's no units when we're talking about simplify. What if I was talking about $1.20 is to 30 cents? Okay, so we've got units here, but they're different units. So like every question, when there's units involved, we want to convert, so we've got similar units. If I was to convert that to dollars, I'm going to get a decimal. We don't like decimals in simplified ratios. So let's go to cents. As soon as we get the units the same, they go. Then I'm going to simplify as far as I can. The ratio is 4 is to 1. $1.20 is 4 times 30 cents. Okay. And how before I said we don't like decimals in our simplest ratios. So let's go 0.1 is to 0.3. Okay, so what we don't like here is the decimal. So to get rid of the decimal, how about I multiply both sides by 10? 0.1 times 10 and 0.3 times 10 is 1 is to 3. Well, that's simplest form. 0.1, 0.3 is 3 times bigger than 0.1. So when we go to decimal, we just want to get rid of it by multiplying by whatever we need to, both sides, to get rid of them. Same thing with the fraction. 2/5 is to 3/4. We don't want fractions in there. So what am I going to multiply by? Oh, I've got a 5 and a 4. How about I multiply both sides by 20? When I multiply both sides by 20, that goes to a 4. 2 4s are 8. The 4 and the 20 cancel to get 5. 5 3s are 15. 8 is to 15. Can't simplify that anymore. So 2/5 to 3/4 is 8 is to 15 in simplest form. One last one. Simplify. How about we go? Let's not do 50. Let's do 60. Make it a bit harder. 60 centimetres is to 2.5 metres. That would make the question a bit harder. Okay, again, we've got different units. So I want to go to centimetres. There's 100 centimetres in a metre, so bunny hop twice. Easy to make a mistake, isn't it? Okay. Okay, centimetres and centimetres. Gone. And we're going to simplify. My goodness. There we go. We're done. 6 is to 25. That was easier than I thought. Okay, simplest form, get the units right, and then they disappear. Simplify as far as you can.